before the day ends, I just wanted to show you what I got from my PR from Isn't Tree? I don't know how to say their brand, but I'm excited about this. I know VT Cosmetics have the same thing, it's very popular. I actually wanted to try theirs, but I'm happy I get to try something similar, maybe better, we'll see. And they sent me just their hyaluronic acid serum. We will journal and then I will see you guys the next day.
Okay, thank you. We're at the Griffith Observatory. You're at a weird angle right now because I'm about to get out of the car. And I just put my shoes on. I was wearing flats, but I think that's not a good idea. I'm gonna bring my little Oala. Does she have enough water? I think I need to refill her. I've never been here before, so this will be new. I've been wanting to go here for a while now, but now we're here. Okay.
triggered and just not it. My hair was curly a few hours ago and now it's just poofy. I'm not sure what I have planned for tomorrow, but I can't wait to do my skincare right now and take off all this makeup. I really need to buy new lashes just because I'm running on mascara, and I don't mind mascara, but I got so used to using individual lashes that I am not used to seeing myself with mascara now, and I think it's like very lackluster personally, that it doesn't make my makeup pop out as it should. We're gonna make the chocolate strawberry loaf thing. It's supposed to be muffins, but I don't have my tray, so we're just gonna do a loaf of it because I have a loaf pan. I got 2 PRs from 2 different brands, not that much though, but I got PR from I'm From. They sent me their rice toner. I love this toner, and their rice toner pads. I've been meaning to try this. I'm so excited to try this. And then just a very small package from CNP Laboratory. I've worked with them before, and they just sent me one of their new lip balm products. Their Lipserine lip balm, but it's the spicy one. This one is in the spicy flavored one. It's supposed to be like a lip plumper, so we'll see how that goes. I got another order on my shop. I'm very, very grateful. Trying to manifest more orders in the future, so we'll see about that. I'm currently printing out a shipping label for one of my orders in my shop. And yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm on my iPad trying to figure out stuff. Not that much orders, but I'm manifesting in the future that, you know, more orders to come. I'm gonna bring you guys to the post office with me in a bit, and we have to also buy some stuff and we have to go out to buy stuff for dogs too. So there's that. Laptop sounds like a freaking airplane right now just because I'm editing. this vlog is gonna be a little short just because there wasn't really that much to do, plus there were other things I was busy with. But yeah, the next vlog should be a little bit more long and more eventful just because I have a concert I'm going to on Sunday. I'm seeing XG, which I'm very excited about. I'm obviously gonna bring you guys with me. We can plan out outfits together and all that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog where I'm having fun and all that in the concert.